If you're a business owner in the home services or trades industry, having a Google guaranteed profile can help you stand out from competitors and build trust with potential customers. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps it takes to set up an LSA or local services ads profile and get you started so you can start reaping the benefits. Well, if you're interested in setting up an LSA profile, the first step to take is to check your eligibility. And the Google Guarantee Program is currently open to only certain industries and job types, but luckily, home services and trades is a part of that. Additionally, you must also pass certain business verification requirements depending on your location and the services you offer. To check your eligibility, all you have to do is go to the LSA website, which we've listed below, and enter your business information. And if you're eligible, you'll be able to move on to the next step. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next thing you can do is sign up for local services ads. These ads are great because they're designed for local businesses in the services and trades industry. To sign up, all you have to do is visit that LSA website we talked about before and create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, including your location, the services you offer, and your business hours. You'll also need to provide proof of valid licensing and insurance, as well as any relevant certifications or qualifications. Once you've completed setting up your profile, the next step is to complete a background check. Now, this is a mandatory requirement for any business who's participating in the Google Guarantee Program, and this is really just to ensure the quality of those businesses a part of that program. Now, the background check includes a review of business licenses and insurance, as well as a criminal background check for all employees who are going to be providing services at your business. The background check is conducted by a third party separate from Google, and it can take up to several weeks to complete the process, so make sure to start it early as possible. And guys, if you could like and subscribe if you find any of this content valuable for you, it helps us to continue making great educational content just like this one. So once your background check has been completed and you've been approved to be a part of the Google Guaranteed Program, the next step is just to wait and watch to see when your profile is going to be activated. And once your profile is activated, your listing will soon be visible with all the other Google Guaranteed providers. It's crazy what that little badge can do for you and your customers. So when it comes to ranking, Google is going to be looking at 3 different factors in general when it comes to your LSA profile. And these are going to be the 3 R's: radius, responsiveness, and reviews. Now, if you want to learn more about these 3 R's and how you can utilize them to help boost your rankings on your LSA profile, check out this video we did here on that exact topic. If you're struggling to drive reviews for your business, one easy way to remedy that is to partner with a company like Liftify. Liftify is going to help you generate more quality reviews for your business, which creates trust between you and your customers. So once you're part of the Google Guarantee Program, you're going to be able to reap a bunch of different benefits that it provides. Some of those include increased visibility on Google search results, budgeting flexibility, and also only being charged when you receive a valid lead. So by being a part of the Google Guarantee Program and having that cool little badge next to your name, it's going to set you apart from your competitors, build trust between you and your customers, and also give you so many opportunities to increase revenue growth for your company. Well, those are the simple steps it takes to set up your LSA profile, get Google Guaranteed. And it's such a simple thing you can do to have such enormous effects on your business and your customers as well. If you want to check out more videos we've done on LSA, check out these videos here, as well as stay tuned because we're going to be having a live Q&A with our in-house resident LSA expert, Peter Simpson. Be able to answer any of your questions that you have regarding LSA, Google Guaranteed.